Hi there, my name is Luke. Welcome to the Python Beginner to Pro second class on Foundational Concepts. If you want to watch Class 1, click below to subscribe to the channel and get access to all of our videos. Now, let's learn about data structures and conditionals. Why do we use data structures? And what's the importance of choosing the right data structure for efficient problem solving? Data structures play a crucial role in programming as they provide us a way to organize and store data effectively. They're like containers that hold different types of data, allowing us to perform operations on them effectively. Python, as a versatile programming language, offers a variety of built-in data structures that enable us to handle and manipulate data effectively. Efficient data organization. Data structures provide a systematic way to organize and manage data. They allow us to store and access data in a structured manner, making it easier to work with large data sets and complex problems. By choosing the appropriate data structure, we can optimize memory usage and improve the efficiency of our programs. Data manipulation and operations. Data structures offer various operations and methods that allow us to manipulate and transform data. For example, lists in Python provide methods for appending, inserting, removing, and accessing elements, making it convenient to work with collections of items. Similarly, dictionaries provide key-value pairs, allowing efficient retrieval and modification of data based on specific keys. Flexibility and adaptability. Python's built-in data structures are highly flexible and adaptable. They can be easily customized and extend to meet specific requirements. For instance, we can modify lists, dictionaries, or sets to accommodate new data or modify existing data as needed. This flexibility enables us to solve a wide range of problems and adapt our data structures to changing needs. Algorithm implementation. Data structures serve as the foundation for implementing various algorithms and solving complex problems. Algorithms often rely on specific data structures to perform efficiently. For example, searching and sorting algorithms utilize data structures like arrays, lists, or trees to optimize the execution time and minimize resource usage. Code reusability. By using data structures effectively, we can write reusable code. Once we have implemented a data structure, we can utilize it in multiple parts of our program, even in different projects. This promotes code modularity, reduces redundancy, and enhances the maintainability of our code base. So let's go over some definitions of some common Python jargon. Brackets in code give you hints on the data types and data structures. So let's go over some different Python jargon and what they mean. Part of foundational concepts is learning syntax in detail, important differences in code. Understanding these differences will give you a strong foundation as a Python coder. Not understanding these details will cause you issues later when writing code. Here are some definitions of common Python jargon. Knowing how and when to use bracket types make you a better coder and will help you read other people's code. Let's go over 5 definitions of common Python jargon used in coding. Mutable. Mutable objects can change their value but keep their IDs. Immutable. An object with a fixed value. Immutable objects include numbers, strings, and tuples. Such an object cannot be altered. A new object has to be created if a different value has to be stored. They play an important role in places where constant hash value is needed, for example, as a key in a dictionary. Square brackets. Square brackets are used to bracket a list. Curly brackets. Curly brackets are used to bracket a dictionary or a set. Round brackets are used to bracket a tuple. So usually when I show this slide, students say, "Hey Luke, what the heck are lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries? Can you give us some examples?" I sure can, and that's what we're going to cover in the next slide. Common data structures in Python. Lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. Here are some examples. Lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. In class 1, we had gone over basic built-in data types, which included integers, or ints, floats, float, strings, strs, or booleans, bools. Let's cover these four data structure types that are listed in the table. List is a versatile and mutable data structure that allows storing a collection of items. Lists are ordered and can contain elements of different data types. They're denoted by square brackets, and elements are separated by commas. Lists offer various methods for adding, removing, and manipulating elements, as well as indexing and slicing operations. Tuples are similar to lists, but are immutable, meaning their elements cannot be modified once defined. Tuples are denoted by parentheses or simply by comma-separated values. They're often used to represent fixed collections of items or as a way to ensure data integrity. Sets. A set is an unordered collection of unique elements. Sets do not allow duplicate values and can be modified using various sets of operations such as a union, intersection, and a difference. Sets are defined using curly braces or the set parentheses constructor. Dictionaries are key value pairs that allow storing and accessing data based on unique keys. Each element in a dictionary consists of a key value pair, where the key is used to access the associated value. We'll get into this when we're programming some examples later. Dictionaries are decoded by curly braces, and the key value pairs are separated by colons. As you can see in the code examples on the right, where the lists are denoted by the types of brackets and also what is in the list and how the list works. And we're going to get into this when we do coding examples in the future. Thanks for watching today. If learning Python is your goal to get that coveted 100K job, then I highly recommend you subscribe to the channel right now, because I post videos just like this one, if not even better, every single week. Here on the channel, if you're not subscribed, YouTube will not show them to you. So just go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. It's completely free. You can always change your mind. Also below, check out cool hardware essential deals for serious Python programmers. Please note, as an Amazon associate, I may earn commission from any qualifying affiliate purchases, which helps support the channel. If you want to try out our training website, which has 12 curated classes that will progressively build your Python programming skills, click the 12-week training challenge website link below the video. We are now offering a 60-day trial for those beginners serious about learning Python. The 60-day trial includes Class 1 slides, Class 1 videos, coding examples, and Class 1 multiple choice questions to test your knowledge after finishing Class 1. Keep in touch, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I love you all.